Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. In 2025, DJI has introduced something that could genuinely change the way we think about consumer drones. The highly anticipated DJI Neo 2. Unlike simple refreshes or small upgrades we sometimes see in the drone market, this model is being talked about as a serious leap forward in design, intelligence, and camera technology. The question hovering around the tech world is simple. Is the Neo 2 truly a breakthrough in aerial innovation, or just another shiny gadget that gets headlines but fades into the background once the excitement cools off? Today, we're going to break it all down in detail. This deep dive will cover everything from flight performance, range, camera system, portability, obstacle avoidance, AI features, and usability to its possible price range, market positioning, and the types of creators it's targeting. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, drone hobbyist, or just a traveler who loves capturing cinematic footage, the Neo 2 may be one of the most significant drones of the year. Stick with me until the end, because this could be the drone that finds its way into your gear collection. Flight power and endurance. DJI has always been known for strong and stable flight control. But the Neo 2 is rumored to take that reputation even further. Reports suggest that its upgraded propulsion system allows it to reach speeds around 60 miles per hour, putting it among the fastest drones in its class. That's an impressive feat for a foldable and compact aerial machine. But speed isn't the only headline feature. Endurance is equally important. Early leaks claim that the Neo 2 could offer a flight time of up to 40 minutes, which is considerably longer than many drones in the mid-range market. Longer airtime means fewer landings and more opportunities to capture uninterrupted cinematic footage. For creators, this improvement could make the difference between capturing the perfect sunset sequence in one take or running out of battery at the worst possible moment. Another key strength is its use of OcuSync 4.0 transmission technology, rumored to provide a 15-kilometer range with near-zero latency. This would give pilots better control, smoother live feeds, and the ability to operate in challenging environments without signal dropouts. If confirmed, this would make the Neo 2 one of the most reliable drones in its segment for professional use. Price and market strategy. Pricing is often the deciding factor when choosing a drone, and DJI seems to be targeting a sweet spot with the Neo 2. Analysts suggest the price will fall between $1,200 and $1,500, positioning it above entry-level compact drones but still below flagship models like the Mavic 3 Pro. This mid-tier approach could make the Neo 2 extremely attractive. It offers high-end features without forcing buyers to spend thousands, which means it's perfectly aimed at content creators, vloggers, travel filmmakers, real estate professionals, and tech enthusiasts. DJI's strategy here seems clear. Make a drone that blends premium capability with affordability, appealing to both serious hobbyists and professionals. Compact design, built for mobility. Portability is no longer optional in drone design. It's a requirement. The DJI Neo 2 reportedly comes with a foldable body. It's making it small enough to slide into a backpack, but still durable enough for rugged outdoor shoots. Built with lightweight but tough materials, the Neo 2 seems designed for creators who need to travel light but don't want to compromise on performance, for explorers who film in remote landscapes, or urban bloggers capturing busy city shots. The Neo 2 could be the ultimate travel drone balancing mobility, strength, KN specs, camera system, professional imaging, and a compact drone. The centerpiece of the Neo 2 is its camera technology. Rumors point to a 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of capturing 20-megapixel stills and shooting 5.4K video at 60 frames per second. This would make it one of the most capable compact drones ever made for filmmakers who want cinematic visuals without needing a massive setup. With features like 10-bit D-Log color support, adjustable aperture, and advanced low-light performance, the Neo 2 could rival larger drones used in professional shoots. Whether you're filming wide landscapes, urban time-lapses, or high-action sports footage, this drone promises to deliver sharp, dynamic, color-accurate footage that's ready for professional editing. Intelligent controls and safety. DJI has always led the way in intelligent features, and the Neo 2 seems set to push things even further. Reports suggest it will include omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, powered by Riven algorithms for smarter navigation. This means it could fly confidently in complex environments, automatically avoiding trees, buildings, and other obstacles with ease. In addition, advanced flight modes like Active Track 5.0, Point of Interest 4.0, and Master Shots could make cinematic filming accessible to both beginners and experts. The improved return to home system that recalculates safe paths dynamically adds another layer of security. These features don't just improve safety, they make the drone easier and more fun to use, giving new pilots confidence while still offering depth for experienced flyers. Connectivity and smart integration in the connectivity front. The Neo 2 may include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, allowing faster data transfer, better streaming, and smoother device pairing. Integrated with the DJI Fly app, it could allow creators to live stream directly to YouTube, Facebook, or other platforms in high definition. Cloud-based updates and AI-assisted flight logs might also become standard, ensuring the drone evolves even after purchase. Who should consider the Neo 2? This drone appears to be crafted for a broad audience. Professionals who need a portable but powerful imaging tool. Content creators and vloggers who want cinematic visuals without the cost of a flagship drone. Travelers who need something lightweight but capable of long flight sessions. Beginners who want safety features and intelligent modes to help them learn quickly. Final verdict will need official confirmation before finalizing our judgment. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drones of 2025. With its rumored mix of professional imaging, long flight endurance, intelligent safety features, and mid-range pricing, it could easily become the go-to drone for creators worldwide. If DJI delivers on these expectations, the Neo 2 won't just be a new release, it could be a game-changer in the mid-tier drone market. It's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in portable aerial technology. So what do you think? Will the DJI Neo to be the drone that redefines your creative projects? Or are you waiting for DJI's next flagship? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear which features matter most to you. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Technology in the Future for more deep dives into the latest in drones, cameras, smartphones, and next-generation tech. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the future of innovation.